Hi, I'm Sergio Martinez, concierge at Park Avenue Place Exclusive Resorts, and today I'm going to show you how the Floodstopper works. Now, once you turn on the washing machine and you don't hear any water coming on, it's probably the result of the Floodstopper. The Floodstopper is a device designed to cut off any water supply to prevent a potential flood. The Floodstoppers are very sensitive and will respond if any moisture is detected. Now, once you located the Floodstopper, which can be located in either side of the washing machines in the residences, you press the open button, but not before checking first to make sure there's no water leakage or any flood around. If you do discover any water leaking from the machine, please contact me immediately. Thank you so much for watching and have a great stay with us. Bye-bye.